What's going on? Welcome back to another cold email teardown. In this video, I'm going to be roasting emails that were submitted to me by an AI automation agency. I'm going to make them shorter, more value driven, and kind of point out where this person went wrong when they're writing their cold emails and how to improve. So here we go. Here's what they submitted to me. I've watched a lot of your content, and after doing so, I can tell you that you are the GOAT when it comes to cold emailing. Thank you. May or may not be true, but please roast these emails that I wrote for my AI automation agency targeting SaaS. Okay, I'm just going to grab what he wrote and put it in a Google Doc because it's way easier, but let's see what he wrote. I know this is totally out of the blue. Would not start with that, first of all. I saw you've got a strong product. Kudos for that, bro. You know what I've found after working with dozens of founders. Okay, so this entire opener is a waste of copy. It's a waste of space. Basically, the attention that someone would give to your email has gone to this random diagnosis of the person's website. Talking to dozens of founders, most SaaS teams with solid product market fit still face this same problem. Your biggest problem isn't closing deals, yada, 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 yada. We've helped a few high-ticket B2B SaaS in the EU with our highly automated AI outbound systems. Okay, this is better. Still way too long. Then the follow-up is also way too long. I don't know what's going on here. Like, it takes me 10 seconds to figure out what this person is selling. And if you know anything about cold email, you don't have 10 seconds to spare when somebody's deciding if they want to work with you or not. You have about 5 seconds, 3 seconds. Here we go. In email 3, there's an actual offer. We can build you a tool that will get you 120 demos in 120 days. If we don't get them, you don't pay. These emails, obviously way too long. I'm going to make them way shorter and show you what I would do if I were this person. I don't know what their agency name is. So company name X, AI agency, intro, hey, first name. I'm just going to go right for it, right? We can book you 120 demos in 120 days, guaranteed, or you don't pay. This email's so long, I'm still trying to figure out what's being offered here. Hyper-targeting, personalized messaging, pre-qualifying, and automatic routing with an AI that finds your ideal customers, writes a personalized email message for them, and sends the email, I guess, messages them personally. I recorded a video of what this AI looks like in action. Mind if I share it here? See how this email is 2.5 sentences, while the one that was submitted to me is 1, 2, 3, 4, like 6 paragraphs. There's a big difference there, and it's going to be a big difference in results because the shorter emails always work the best. Let's do email 1B. Let's do we can guarantee you 120 booked sales calls in 120 days with an AI. What do I want to call this? I want to give it a name. AI outbound system. Okay, sure. Let's just call it that, right? With an AI outbound system. Our AI will find your ideal customers, personalize a message for them, and reach out on your behalf. Mind if I share a quick video of this AI in action? Boom, there we go. That's email 1. Let's write some follow-ups quickly. Email 2. We can guarantee you 120 meetings, 120 days. I'm still like trying to figure out exactly what's being sold here. We can guarantee you 120 meetings in 120 days by having an AI identify your ideal clients, message them with a unique personalized script, and pass the warm leads to you. Let's do an email 3 and get out of here. I recorded a video explaining how our AI outreach assistant can book you 120 meetings in 120 days. Guaranteed by doing personalized outreach to your ideal customers. Can't type today. Mind if I share the video here? Okay, cool. So that is what I would do if I was writing copy for this AI business. Say what you can do. 120 meetings in 120 days. Get the point across. Get the meeting booked. That's it. If you want help creating an AI-based agency and doing outreach for it so you sign clients on demand with cold outreach, with Dream 100, with content, we can help you build an AI-assisted agency that fulfills 80% of the work for you with AI so you can scale quicker. There's a link in the description for that program. If you want 30 minutes of my time to write a cold email script sequence together, that link is in the description as well. And if you want to use ListKit to get a list of triple verified contacts for your outreach, ListKit's free sign-up link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Thumbs up to the channel. Talk to you soon. Peace.